Hey, this is Comfort and welcome back to my kitchen flavors. Now today I'm taking you all the way to the northwestern part of Uganda where I'm from. I'm going to be showing you how we stew vegetables and embellish them simply with peanut butter for a creamy and nutty stew that tastes amazing. Alright, to start off, you want to get a hold of a clean pan and start adding your vegetables to it. And while you're doing that, I just want to take this time to give you a quick background on the kind of food that people from the northern part of Uganda would typically eat. Now, for centuries, we have enjoyed a predominantly plant-based diet, and until more recently, we didn't even fry our food. If we had to consume any fat at all, it came from adding plant-based butters to our sauces and stews. We're talking about shea, peanut, and sesame butter. It's our belief that this diet probably explains why we are tall and slim and beautiful. Now for the seasoning, I'm adding a beef stock cube, my homemade ginger powder, yes, I meant that, and I'm finishing that off with my homemade stock. Next, you want to move your saucepan to the cooker, bring your vegetables up to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, I'm just going to show you how to prepare your peanut butter, which we're going to use a bit later on. You want to add like 2 tablespoons of your butter to a clean bowl, and then follow that up with half a cup of hot water. You then want to mix that up using a fork or a whisk until the peanut butter is nicely dissolved. Okay, so let's just see how our veggies are doing after 10 minutes of cooking. And as you can see, they are looking really nice and have cooked bulungi. And we're gonna go in with the rest of our ingredients. I've got carrots, which I usually prefer to remain crunchy, and that's why I add them at this point. I've got lemon for that katangi tang. And finally, I have got my peanut butter solution. Now you just want to stir the sauce to incorporate the peanut butter, the lemon and the carrots into the rest of your vegetables. Then you want to cover the pan and allow the sauce to simmer gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, I'm going to come back and show you what's next after I share this recipe from the Word to inspire your relationship with the Father. Now what you want to do for the next 3 to 5 minutes is to stir the stew constantly, because at this point the peanut butter is prone to burning. What you should be looking for is a stew that has a somewhat thick consistency, and at that point it's ready to be plated. Okay, this stew can be enjoyed with a side of rice, mashed bananas, mashed potatoes, cornmeal, or even crusty bread. But in the north, we would typically eat it with sweet potatoes. Hey, TBD alute ini makusiba. Hey! When you know, you know. I hope this video has taught you something new, and I thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, God amaze you with the selfless desires of your heart. Bye!